Hey guys, it's Pauline. So this, I guess you can tell what this is. I haven't had anybody to send something like this. So let's take a look. Hopefully, this didn't get damaged. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I took the outer layer off, and so now here is the inner layer. So let's take a look. Well, they did try to take precautions. I appreciate that. And look, this is so cute. This is so cute. So, I think, so when I put in Wizard of Oz coach, this came up. I don't know if this was part of it, but isn't that pretty? Um, it didn't do it justice. The photos of this. So it's not like gaudy, but it is eye-catching without being, too much. So it's really pretty. It's a small bag, like really kind of small. But it's really nice. And the person who had this really took care of it. Let's see. Oh, okay. I was going to say, wait, where's the strap? Here's the strap. All right. So it's one of those skinny crossbody straps. So we got the logo there. Really nice. There we go. And then, let's see. I have it on the zipper pull. Very, very, very cute. And then I have some flip-flops that are this color. And they were Michael Kors, actually. So that really kind of prompted me to getting this. I thought that was really cute, and I thought I would share that with you guys. So, oh, it has feet. So let's do a little twirl, I guess. I like that there's a back pocket. It's not very long, so I don't think I can put a phone in there. But I could put sanitizer or something. All right, so that's that. Let me know what y'all think. I'll talk to you later. Bye.